Hello everyone, welcome to this weekly analysis for the Forex pairs. So last week we probably were seeing for sell bias here. So in this week, let's draw new trend lines. New trend lines, and let's go. So here we see a short bias. See the trend line. Let's duplicate it, clone it, and put it here. So this is the weekly time frame. So here we are seeing in our zone that we got here a potential double top or shoulder, head shoulder. So we got this level here. Yes, we got this, and we got this of this week. So we are in a downtrend, and this is a confirmation of falling at the market. But now we can see that we got here a engulfing at the daily time frame, a retest here, and we probably were looking for sales here. We was looking for sales here. So now let's go to 4-hour time frame. So we are looking here that it's ranging this zone. Let me draw it. Yes, it's bouncing here, and we can see that we were looking for a break, retest, and then continuation of the trend. So a double top here. No, we here in this time frame we can not look like that. We can see here the structure respected a downtrend bias. So we got here our high, a low, a break, a low, a high, and now this structure wasn't broken yet. We got here our zone of collection. We got some weak rejection here. So let's remove this, this. So here we can wait for, let me enable here extra mode. Sorry, change the color. Right here, and then fall like this. Or we can place our buy here. If we see a break of this structure, then retest and then go up. Break, retest, then go up. Let's make it simple to see here. So let's go to the next pair. So here at the UJ, we are looking for uptrend here. Let's draw the trend line here. Sorry, A, B, C, D. So Here we got a massive rally. So here potentially the market is reversing due to these rejections at this price, this psychological level. Let's draw a trend line here, the horizontal. So let's go to the 4 hour to see how the market have gone this week. So yeah, here at the 4 hour time frame, we looked at the structure broke here this level and then retest, and here we got a massive engulfing candle. So probably we place it uh sorry oh place it a sell here. Yes, and put yes. So for this week we can look for here we got a zone that the price respected here. Here the price drop and then retest here. So for a break of this structure to go up, we need to look for break, retest, and then go up. So let's make it simple. So here we look that we have engulfing here at this level, so we can get in this exhaustion here, and place our stop here, and then adjust our profit zone, the profit level here. So yes, let's go to the next pair, the GPP entity at the daily time frame. So here we look that's going up, uptrend, it's uptrend. So here we got too many weeks at this level, 197 here. Let me draw here this, I can put it here. So let's go to the 4 hour. The market this week respected the structure of a downtrend, so it fall. Here we can see that the sorry you can see that the price respected these zones here with a break, retest, and then going down. So here we got too many dojis, shining star, so hammer, swing man here. So for a better entry in this, I will make this here and wait for a go, go, retest, and then fall. Here it's a confluence, a range in my views. Yeah, so I'm seeing a confluence here, so I wait for a breakout, retest, and then fall. Okay, so let's go. here at this we got uptrend here. Let me draw a trend line, an uptrend here, and uh, downtrend here. Fine. So here the structure broken this zone, so now we are at the buy bias with a confirmation here. So let's go to the 4 hour. So the market this week roll it, so it going up. So here we got the double bottom, exhaust here, and then go up, exhaust, and here we got a ranging market. The price is bouncing sideways, up, down. So here we will wait for a break here, retest, and then go up. This our forecast for this week. So let me go to another. So here we got the Euro USD in a downtrend, and trade here. So we probably will wait for retest here at the trend line and then fall. So here we see a potential uptrend here, so we will validate it after a retest here, creating a new structure and then going up. So let's go to the 4 hour to see. Yes, it's going up here. The structure is made at the 4 hour time frame. Up, exhaust, up, exhaust, up, exhaust, and here we got engulfing a bullish. So here we can open our trades at Monday at the open of the market here and place our stop right here or here, depends from you. So you can place it as a swing trader, you can place it like this. It will go up like this, yes, or you can enter here, sorry, here, and then put your stop loss here. So here we've got the break of this trend line. Let me slide it at the break here of this high here, and then a retest and then go up. So let's see what the market got for us this week. Hope you enjoy, and please safe trades, control your risk, and goodbye.